Welcome to Mini Miracles, Flags and Phonics. Today we are going to see how to play a board game, a flag board game prepared by me. Okay, so for this I have taken printout of the flags, the national animals and the national birds, the stickers in an A3 size paper, and I've just laminated it. Okay, and then I brought a dice to play. We need two kids, okay, and then even a single kid can play this to learn the flags as it is in the snake and ladder format. Okay, just like that I have just done something differently with the green and red dots. Okay, so instructions of the green and red I have just printed it in a paper and just kept it in a laminated cover. Okay, so for the green, whatever it is, the child will follow it, and for the red also there are 10 instructions. Okay, so I'll just do it now, just show you a demo. Okay, so when it reaches green, what will be the instruction, I'll just show you to have a clear idea. Okay, so to start actually we have to put 6 or 1 in a dice. Okay, throw 5, so no. So suppose if it is 6, okay, so on the 6 or 1, so the child will start playing it. So he can place the coin here, okay, and start. So throw it once again. Okay, so it is 3. Okay, so for 3 we move the coin like this. So on the third picture, see there is a green dot. So the child will find out what is this. This is a magpie robin. So magpie robin is the national bird of Bangladesh. So we'll see the green card side what is written here. So on magpie it is written magpie robin is taking its flight to its country. Okay, so now where will the magpie robin go? To its country. Where does this country is? Bangladesh. So where is Bangladesh? We have to find out. And so here is Bangladesh. So the child can keep the coin here. Okay, so when we throw the next round, throw it please. So it is 5. So keep it on 5. So it will go like this. So for easy for easy to learn the directions, I have just marked arrows also. Okay, so that they don't get confused. So the arrows are here on the left side and right side. So suppose it is 5, it has gone to the elephant. Suppose if it is red, okay, suppose if it is red, so see the bird is hoopoe, that is the national bird of Israel. So we'll see the red color side. So the red color side is hoopoe. Where is the hoopoe bird? Here is it. So hoopoe is taking rest while its friends flies forward and so loses one chance. Okay, so that means the kid playing this round will lose one chance and the other participant will play. Okay, like that there are many points. See, if it is Azerbaijan, there is also red color in Azerbaijan. See, here it is Azerbaijan. So this Azerbaijan means go in search of Caspian snowcock from Azerbaijan, because red color, so they have to go down only. So the national bird is Caspian snowcock. So where it will come, Caspian snowcock, we have to find out. So see here. So from here the child will go back here. Okay, so like that they have to face all the challenges. They have to cross all the challenges, reds and greens, and then at last finally they go to the end position, that is they'll reach the Indian flag to win this game. Okay, I hope you like this game. So if you need, you can just my subscribers can just mail it to me and I will find a way to just send you an email so that you can print it out and use it as a board game to teach your kids the basic facts of flags. Okay, this contains the first 25 flags of Asia, okay, which is in the alphabetical order. So to know the other details of the flags, please subscribe my channel and go to my other videos, watch my other videos where I have given in parts 3 by 3 parts. I have given all about the details about the flags and also some hands-on activities to learn those flags. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe and like my video. Thank you.